folks, Fat Guy Flies RCI here. We're going to take up the Park Zone Sport Cub S2, a red and white one of my favorite planes, very dear to my heart. We're going to take it up and have a little bit of fun on this morning. Let me get back over to my camera crew here, who's wonderfully out here again with me. All right, here we go, camera crew. You got the plane? Yep. All right, we're running a Spektrum 2200 smart battery. We're going to take it up, flip it, take it up, flip it again. This is one of my favorite planes. There's a, hold on. There's a knife edge for you. Get closer to us here. And come back by us here. We're going to slow it down. Do some nice slow pattern flying here. And try to do some flat turns here. We're going to go the other direction. Do a nice flat turn there. We're going to keep doing another flat turn here.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right. We're going to take it straight up. Do a stall turn, which is what that was. Nice flat turn there. Sometimes that's called a coordinated turn. All right, we're going to go out here, off to the west, or sorry, the east. Bring it back towards us here. Nice little presentation pass there. We're going to turn around, come back the opposite direction here. Doing a flat coordinated turn. We're dropping out of the power, and we're going to bring her in for a landing. There you go. Now we're going to take off again. Same direction as before. Take her straight up. Stall turn.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, we're going to do a roll. Couple of rolls. Actually, barrel roll. Now, and that's a roll there. Or actually, that's a loop. This is a loop. And this is a roll. Barrel roll, sometimes called. All right. There's a nice knife edge here for you as I chase that bird. Presentation pass. All right, we're going to do a nice flat turn here. Do another flat turn. That's right there is a perfect example of a flat turn, folks. Where I'm trying my best to just keep them wings just as level as they can be. And this is how you turn a cub to keep it from tip stalling. All right, we'll show you how she flies inverted. Well, hold on, let me try it this way. There, she flies inverted fine. All right, come back by us here. We're going to circle back out. Going to kill some power. Get ourselves somewhat of a flat turn. Line her up for the landing here. We're going to do a touch and go. All right, that's a touch and go. A bit of an ascending knife edge here. We're going to try a knife edge all the way around here. Yeah, not a really perfect knife edge, but not bad. Alright, we're going to start killing our speed. Get ourselves a flat turn. And we're coming in a little too hot. I think we'll be okay. There we go. Turn around back towards us here. We still got a minute. Let's go off the opposite direction. Oh, hey, ground handling. Well, here, we'll take off that way. Alright. There's a nice knife edge. Oh yeah, that's a good knife edge there. See, the idea is you're wanting to kick that one wing towards the direction you're going. Alright, let's get turned around one more time, get her lined up. Get a nice flat turn here. Alright, get her lined up for landing here, get a nice swing level. Kind of a little hot, but that's okay. There we go. Folks, that is the Park Zone Sport Cub S2. A lot of people think they're underpowered. I don't think so. I think they've got all kinds of power. And they are spunky. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird, aren't you? You're a dirty bird, aren't you? Oh man, you're filthy. Well, folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless, and shout out to my wonderful camera lady. Love you, baby.